We often find we're in a situation where we just don't know what to do. The risk manager in me would come out in that occasion and say, what if I do nothing? What's the impact of not doing anything? And sometimes the impact of not doing anything is just as bad as actually doing something and having it wrong. So there'll be times where you might feel like you're hamstrung in the decision-making process. You may feel that you're worried about making the wrong decision, but you also need to consider that sometimes not making a decision at all can be the wrong decision.